how to redeem gift card on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and then select your profile icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on the Redeem Gift Card or Code option you see there. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Now enter the code. You have two options. First, to scan the card. Use your iPhone's camera to scan the back of your card and make sure to position the card so that the code is visible in the frame. The second option is to enter the code manually. Tap on Enter Code Manually option and then type the 16-digit code. Once the code is verified, tap on the Redeem button, and with this, the balance or content associated with the card will be added to your Apple ID. So, this is how you can redeem gift card on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.